you're a sky full of stars.
Amrit, you know, one thing I like about San Jose is it's one of the largest cities in the United States, and there are so many different pockets that people are not aware of. And we happen to be in West San Jose, right? This home, you're gonna love this one. Single story, nicely updated. What do you think?
I think this is an amazing property in West San Jose.
Right.
Amazing schools,
Yeah.
recently renovated. I think this is a really good opportunity for somebody.
Yeah, let's take a tour.
Beautifully remodeled, single story in the heart of West San Jose. Welcome to 5011 Doyle Road, a thoughtfully remodeled 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom single-story home in one of West San Jose's most established and tightly held pockets. The remodel was done right. Clean, quality finishes throughout, an easy flowing floor plan, and a generous living room with real space to spread out and entertain. Four true bedrooms on one level is an increasingly rare find in this part of the valley.
I wanna die in your arms. 'Cause you get lighter the more it gets dark. I'm gonna give you my heart.
Outside, a spacious backyard on a lot of roughly 6,639 square feet leaves plenty of room for weekend barbecues, a garden, or simply enjoying that Bay Area weather. Location is where this one separates itself. Easterbrook Discovery School sits just down the block on Doyle Road, with Prospect High School serving the area, Murdock Park, Saratoga Creek Park, and the San Tomas Aquino Creek Trail are minutes away. Trader Joe's, Sprouts, and Westgate Center handle the errands, and the new Costco at Westgate West is underway just down the road. Lawrence Expressway, Highway 85 and 280 put Apple Park, the Santa Clara Tech Corridor, and Santana Row within easy reach. The 95129 zip has long commanded a premium for good reason. Come see it in person.